You're out of sight, I see straight in your head. Stir up the wave, I'll whisper where and when. One day I'm gonna be loved by you, one day gonna be hacked by you. Someday it's gonna make sense to you. One day, someday, Wednesday, I put a spell on you. Lose your head, go anywhere. In my bed, we'll disappear. Know what you like, know what you need. So lose your head, follow me. Do you like the song when you're hypnotized? Open up your eyes, watch me hypnotize. Do you see the signs while you're hypnotized? I control your mind, hypnotize. Do you like the song when you're hypnotized? Open up your eyes, watch me hypnotize. Do you see the signs while you're hypnotized? I control your mind, hypnotize. So I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, on my mind. And you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, not the kind. On my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, yeah, another kind. Another kind. I don't usually like people, no. I just think they got too much to say. You're on my mind, on my mind. And you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, not the kind. On my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights, and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. You're another It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. 'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. I am picturing the words in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I believe in